20 plus business managers. Like, this is a strategy I've heard no one talk about or reveal, and I know a lot of people have banned Facebook ad account issues, and I want to go ahead and give you guys some solutions on today's video. And if you guys watched it very end, I should go ahead and give you a strategy that will show you what to do if you actually lose your personal account. So a lot of people actually get their personal account banned, and we'll actually go ahead and address that issue on today's video. But before getting to today's video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like this video, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Let's get right into today's video. Creating 20 plus business managers. So recently, Facebook policies are getting so strict. Like, innocent people are losing their ad accounts, business managers, and even their personal accounts for like little reasons. Like, you might have like, you know, a word that's like you or your, or you have like the word fat, or like, yeah, you just have like these keywords where the bot automatically detects you and just bans your ad, and as a result banning your ad account. Like, Facebook is just so strict right now with all the laws and everything happening in America with the whole election, and innocent people are losing their accounts. So today I'm going to go ahead and give you guys things that you should do to prevent this from happening. So first thing first is you want to max out the number of ad accounts you can create. I think each account, after you spend like $50, you can create up to 5 ad accounts. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to max out the number of business managers you can have. Each personal account should be able to have 2 freaking business managers. So you just go to business.facebook.com/home and create as many business managers as you possibly can. And here's the secret to going ahead and having 50 business managers. So what you want to do is you want to have all your family and friends create 2 business managers each. Have your mom, dad, sister, friends create 2 business managers each. Get them to make you an admin. Remove them from the business manager, and now you could be on 10, 20, 50, 100 plus business managers. And as you can see here, one of my accounts, I have 4 freaking business managers, 2 from like another personal account and 2 from the account I'm using. And literally, I know people who have like over 50 freaking business managers. Now, what happens when your actual profile gets banned and now you can't advertise, you can't log in to actually advertise on these business managers? Firstly, why does this happen? This usually happens due to copyright violations, people reporting your ads. It doesn't really happen for small things, like you have to have like many copyright reports or do some black hat advertising. But if you do small things, this shouldn't happen. And another reason your personal account might be banned is because you're promoting business on your own profile. Facebook says that you should only use your page and advertisements to push your business. You shouldn't have business content on your personal profile. So what's the solution? You want to leave 1 to 2 family members on your business manager, so in case you lose your personal account, you could then go ahead and take your family member's account. You don't need their personal side of things, you just need to log in and use their business side of their Facebook account. And that's why you just want to diversify. 1, start by making the max amount of ad accounts you can. 2, make max amount of business managers you can. 3, go ahead and get all your family and friends to make business managers that you could then join and keep them out of. And then lastly, 4, have 1 or 2 family members that you trust on your business manager, so if you do lose your personal account, you can use your family member's account. But yeah, that's how you go ahead and not only create 50 plus Facebook business managers, but how you go ahead and diversify your Facebook ad managers to make sure that you can consistently run ads for your whole career. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. Very short, straight to the point. I don't want to drag it on like most other YouTubers. I just want to go in, give you guys that daily value, go straight to the point, not BS, and reveal stuff that people usually save and upsell you within a course. I just want to give everything away for free. But yeah, question of the day, do you have any Facebook ad account recovery strategies? I want to hear your stories, your recovery solutions. Drop them in the comments below. As always, these slides are completely for free in the description below. I know a lot of people want to keep these notes on their desktop, and you know, I just want to give you guys everything. Like, I don't want to upsell you anything. I don't want to sell you any course. I just want to, you know, give you guys as much value as I can without asking for anything. Other than that, I want to thank you so much for putting your time into watching my daily videos. I know your time is precious, and I appreciate you using it to support my channel. So I hope you guys are having an amazing week, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.